Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. We'll start off today's news with the Buick Verano is back. But not really. But before we get into the news, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, let's get right into the news. Buick's compact Verano sedan broke up with the US market in 2017, and after that it went and got itself a revenge body. Consider us jealous with the updated, surprisingly attractive Verano. It's being introduced to China, a country with a well-known affections for Buicks. May I just stop here and state the fact that Buick is more Chinese than it is American? I mean, you remember the Buick Regal, right? It was an American brute muscle car at its best. Now, well, what do I know about knowing stuff? Am I right? The old Verano, the one we saw between the 2012 and 2017 model years, was fine. You could say it had a good personality outwardly. It was sort of a dumpy. The compact premium car next door, if you will. Its replacement, which is essentially a reskinned version of the Cruze sedan that Chevy just killed off, never came to America, being sold instead only in China since 2016. That car is what you see here, albeit refreshed with new headlights, taillights, and bumper. Buick's designer really stuck the landing on the Verano's cosmetic updates, particularly when you consider they had to keep and work with the Cruze's basically tape pole-like body shape. There are many similarities between the new Verano's look and that of its larger siblings, the Regal Sportsback, which is sold here in the US, including its squinty headlights, large upright grille, and long lean body lines. The resemblance is a very good thing. Too bad then that we won't see the updated Verano here in America, and also too bad that the wee Buick got so hot since leaving US. The Buick car lineup here has been paired to only the Regal Sportsback and GS model, the La Cruze, and the soon-to-die Cascada convertible. Maybe it's for the best. For as eye-catching as the Verano's new look is, its turbocharged 3-cylinder engine might be too surprising for many Americans who are used to, well, 4 cylinders or more. So enjoy, China.